Hello, welcome to Flyby Media. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add an image or a text in anything in Photoshop. So I'm going to open Photoshop, File, Open. I'm going to open my local disk, project files. I'm going to select all these files and open. The next thing I'm going to do is to show you a very cool feature that is in Adobe Photoshop CC 2015. It's called Vanishing Point. Actually, it's a filter. So I'm going to open my photo with the building. So I'm going to show you how to use the vanishing point tool. As you can see, my building has a vanishing point. I can see the farthest side of the building is quite smaller than the closest part of the building. So basically what I'm going to show you is how to align text to the vanishing points of the building. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write text. I'm going to take my tape tool. First I have to reduce the size. I'm going to use 30 points. So let me type so I'm going to hit Ctrl A to select for edit. I'm going to increase my size a bit. I'm also going to select family type black, bold, just to make it bold. Then I'm going to hit the sign here. I'm going to increase the size of the text a bit. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make a new layer. I'll hit this icon, new. I'll rename it branding. So what I'm going to do, this layer is empty, has nothing. What I'm going to do is hold Control while clicking on my my layer icon. So that is just made the selection. Then I'm going to, you can go to edit, copy. Then I'm going to hit Ctrl D to deselect. Then I'm going to hide my layer. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to select my new layer with nothing. Then I'm going to filter, vanishing point. Vanishing point, the shortcut for it is Alt Control V. So I'm going to hit vanishing point. So this is my plane tool for the vanishing point. I'm going to create my plane. Just as in 3D animation you have a plane, it's also in 2D. I'm going to make sure my vertical lines are parallel to my windows vertical lines. There. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to hit Ctrl V to paste my name. Then I'm going to drag and drop to the name to my plan. Then I'm going to hit Control T for transformation. Then I'm going to increase the size a bit and to place it the right position in the middle of the plan. So after I'm done, I'm going to hit OK. So now that is cool. We are going to play with the effects of this layer. I'm going to double click on the layer. The next thing you're going to do is give it a bit of bevel. I like to have a pillow. Then I'm also going to play with I'm just moving this around to see how my text is responding to what I'm doing. I'm going to choose my color overlay. I'm going to select my color. I'll just use my eyedrop to select a color on the building. I think that's cool. A bit darker, show some depth. I think that's good. So you can also add some shadow just to blend it within the building. You can do as you want, but make sure you use global light. Yeah, I'm going to leave it there. You can play with the effects as you want. So that's how to use that vanishing point tool. I'm also going to show you how to use it to use a picture. So I'm going to select and drop it on my scene. Close it. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just repeating the process we've gone through. I'm going to Control Select. I'm going to Control C, copy. Then I'm going to close that and then Control D to deselect. I'm going to add a new layer. Then I'm going to go to Filter, Vanishing Point. Click on your plane. You can zoom in by Control plus. So make sure things are visible. So I'm going to click on my corner here. But you can pan around, move around your view by selecting spacebar, dragging using your mouse. So you click on each corner. I'm going to click on this corner. Finally, the last one. That is my plan. So I'm going to hit Control V to paste my picture. Then I'm just going to drag it to my screen. I'm going to hit Control T just to transform. So I'm going to make sure select my corner points, then drag till it fits my screen. I'll leave it there. Then I'm going to hit OK. I think that is good. It looks nice. It has taken us a few minutes. It has been so easy and very fast. So that is the best way of wrapping an image or text around something in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more videos.